All right, so in this video, we are proving the corresponding angle postulate, and we're going to use alternate exterior angles to prove this. So this case, we are given that Q is parallel to R. That's our given. We are also given that angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding. That's not going to tell us much right now. Our goal is just to prove that they are congruent. So, both of those are given information. I'm just going to include them on the same line. Here, we're trying to get to angle 2 is congruent to angle 6. So, I know that they're parallel, and we're going to use alternate exterior angles. So, angle 2 is alternate exterior angles to angle 8. So, I can say angle 2 is congruent to angle 8 by the alternate exterior angles theorem, not the converse. The converse would be if we were saying that something was parallel. Here we're saying angles are congruent. Therefore, we're using the theorem because we already know the lines are parallel. Okay, so angle 2 is congruent to angle 8 by the alternate exterior angle theorem. But we also know that angle 8 is congruent to angle 6 because they are vertical angles. And we can say either the vertical angles theorem or we can say that the vertical angles are congruent. I'm going to say vertical angles theorem here. Now, if you look, we have angle 2 is congruent to 8, and angle 8 is congruent to angle 6. So therefore, I can say that angle 2 is congruent to angle 6 using the transitive property, because there's a middleman here. The middleman being angle 8. And this is the transitive property specifically of congruence, not of equality, because we are using congruent symbols. All right, so there's an example of a proof. I want you guys to go ahead and prove the alternate interior angles, and you can use anything other than alternate interior angles. So you can use alternate exterior angles, you can use corresponding angles, you can use same side interior. I don't care what you use, as long as it is not alternate interior angles. All right, and then we will come back together. We will prove alternate exterior angles, and then we'll prove the alternate exterior angle converse, and we'll be good from there. All right, see you guys in a minute.